Welcome or welcome back to Kundalini with Carmela. It's a beautiful day to be who you are and activate all of your energy. Today we're diving into a 5-minute Kundalini routine. Give it your full presence here. We're not here for very long. Stay present so that you really receive that mental and emotional cleansing to keep you aligned with your purpose, aligned with the present moment, aligned with your peace and power in every moment of your day. Be sure to tap that subscribe button and let's get started. We begin spinal flex, inhaling the heart as it comes through, and exhaling, rounding back into that C shape. Let it feel really good. Inhaling and exhaling. It doesn't matter what speed you go or how deep your breath is. What's important is that you're moving with the breath synchronized to that movement. It can be slow, it can be fast. Whatever is best for you today. We'll take this a little quicker if you'd like. Inhale, squeeze the root, exhale. Sitting on your booty, extend your legs in front of you. We're just going to begin by inhaling the arms up, exhaling forward. Inhale up, nose, exhale down, nose. Get nice deep breaths in and out through the nose. You might be going all the way up and all the way down, or you might be going up and then just down a little bit, up and down a little bit. Don't force anything. Just go to right where you feel a nice good stretch, where you feel yourself circulating that energy, where you feel yourself strengthening. And now we'll pick it up just a little bit. If the picking it up doesn't feel good to you today, just stay at the pace that does. Inhale up, exhale, come down. If you can, grab hold of the big toes with these two fingers, the index and the middle. Wrap them around, squeeze your toes, stretch down and begin the breath of fire. If this doesn't feel good, then just make your way to right where it does. Maybe you're here, and just begin that breath of fire or long, slow, deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come back up. Back to seated. We'll take our hands up, out to 60 degrees. We're going to begin breath of fire with a synchronized movement of the hands opening and closing. So begin, if you're new to breath of fire, when you inhale, your belly fills up. And when you exhale, you pull your navel back towards your spine as all the air leaves. So if you're new today, start at that speed. You're watching your belly. Inhale, it fills up. Exhale, you're pulling your navel back so all the air comes out. If you're ready today, you can start to get into your rhythm and synchronize that hand movement, open and close. Double speed. Inhale the arms up. Exhale. Now take your fingers, with the fingers in front, the thumbs in back, begin inhaling to the left, exhaling to the right as you twist. Inhale, center. Squeeze the root, look between the eyebrows, and exhale. Sufi Grinds. Inhaling as you come forward, exhaling as you come back. This nice circular motion. Inhaling forward, exhaling back through the nose. And let's deepen that breath. It's the direction. Inhale, center. Squeeze the root, look between your eyebrows. Exhale. Hands on the knees, begin inhaling the heart through, exhaling back, spinal flex. Double speed. Inhale through. Squeeze the root between the eyebrows. Exhale. Thank you for practicing with me. Use these classes whenever you prefer a mental or emotional cleanse to stay aligned with your purpose, to stay aligned with the present moment. You got this. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.